And I know this isn't enough, I still don't measure up, and I'm not prepared. Sorry is never there when you need it. And I do want you to know I'll hold you up above everyone. And I do want you to know I think that you'd be good to me, and I'd be so good to you.
Thought I saw a sign somewhere between the lines, but maybe it's me, maybe I only see what I want. Or I still have your letter, just got caught between someone I just invented, who I really am.